Uses of salt. In this video, we are going to see uses of salt. The topic acid base salts, we are going to see uses of salt. A salt is formed by the reaction of acid and base. Here in this video, we are going to see uses of certain salts. Common salt is sodium chloride NaCl. It is used in our daily food and also used as a preservative like pickle. Next one is washing soda, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate washing soda used in softening of hard water. Softening of hard water means the removal of unwanted ions from the hard water and make it soften. And washing soda also used in glass, soap, paper industry. Packing soda, sodium bicarbonate. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3. The name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. Packing soda. The name of The name of packing soda is sodium bicarbonate. The formula of packing soda is NaHCO3. See the difference. Washing soda is Na2CO3. Packing soda is NaHCO3. Sodium carbonate means washing soda. Sodium bicarbonate means packing soda. So it is used in making up of packing powder. What is packing powder? Is mixture of packing soda and tartaric acid. Is the mixture of packing soda and tartaric acid is packing powder. So the packing soda used in making packing powder. Here the sodium bicarbonate also used in soda acid fire extinguishers to shut up the fire. And packing powder is also used in make cakes, bread soft and spongy. So in packing product, to make the substance spongy, the packing powder is used. It neutralizes the excess acid in stomach and provides itself relief. So for the acid burning stomach, we can use that sodium bicarbonate to neutralize the excess of acid and smoothen the stomach. Next one is bleaching powder. The formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. The name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. So bleaching powder used in disinfectant. It is used in the textile industry for bleaching cotton and linen. Next one is plaster of Paris. So bleaching powder disinfectant and also used in the bleaching cotton and linen cloths. Next in plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. It is used for the plastering of bone. For the plastering in medical in hospitals, it is used in the plastering of bones. It is used in making statues, cast for the statues and also artificial decorative items. So plastering of bone means for the support to the bones in while making them in fracturing the fracture of the bones to for support the plastering of bones, plaster of Paris is used. Next one is the important points in this lesson. Acid is a substance which furnishes H plus ion in solution. Base is a substance which giving hydroxyl ion in solution. Always acid in solution, it occurs as H3O plus ion or hydronium ion. Salt is formed by the neutralization reaction of the acid and base. So and the acid and base neutralize each other and forming salt and water. Salt poses various purposes. Next one is the acid and basic solution in water conduct electricity due to the formation of H plus ion and OH minus ion in solution. All the substances which contain H plus and OH minus ion not conducting electric current. Only those substances which ionizes in solution only conduct electric current. The next one is when acid reacts with the metal, the corresponding metallic salt and with the metallic salt and the evolution of hydrogen is formed. Phenolphthalein or methyl orange are the indicator which is used to find out whether it is acid or base. Phenolphthalein giving pink color in base and white color in acid. Methyl orange giving pink color in base and golden yellow color in acid. The next one is litmus paper. Litmus paper is also used to find out whether the substance is acid or base. pH paper is find out the given solution acidic or basic in nature. Aqua regia is the mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid in 3:1%. pH scale used to find out whether the hydrogen and pH is negative logarithm of hydrogen and concentration used to find out the acid and basic nature. The same points are given. Same point, hygroscopic nature, which absorb water from the surrounding. Next one is questions. When acid reacts with metal, it forms metallic salts and liberates hydrogen. Apple contains malic acid, orange contains ascorbic acid. Acid in plants and animals are organic, where acid in rocks and minerals are inorganic acid. Example, sulfuric, nitric, hydrochloric are example of inorganic acid. Acid turns blue litmus paper into red. Since metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate are basic in nature, they react with acid, giving salt and water with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas CO2. The hydrated salt of copper sulfate has blue color. CuSO4 5H2O is blue color hydrated salt. The anhydrous salt in the CuSO4 is white in color. The white color and the blue color of copper sulfate is due to that water molecule.